We're looking at PDD here on the weekly chart, and you can see that we're kind of having a battle right here for this 9-day EMA. We are above it, so that is good news. It's currently trading at 105.08. We are about 70 cents off of that right now, so that is good. But we did have that long upper wick in here this week. I've hit the 108s, but we keep on pulling back. Had a drawdown in here from about a buck 39 from yesterday's trading session, so that is good news. We're holding that 9-day EMA. If we uh, cannot hold that, then 104.14 is going to be our next support in here. And then we'll see how the next week brings. If we are below that 104, then probably have a little footing down here right at that $100 level, and then down here at that 93 level, which is your 200 SMA. Now, if we do go to the daily chart in here on our charts, you can see exactly what happened in here. You had that big green day in here a couple days ago where you had that high to low of around $5. So it's a pretty decent move in here from just 2 days ago, but everybody's kind of taking profits, it looks like now, but we are hanging above that 105 level, and we are definitely above that 104.14 in here, and that's going to be that 38.6 fib level. Now, our next resistance that we're going to look at is going to be this 200 SMA right here. It's 111.62. Above that, we're looking basically at the 114s, and then above that is this upper trend line here that we have to worry about, going to be right around that 115 to 116 area. So all in all, that's what we're looking at in here. It looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $2 expected move by tomorrow's close. Next Friday, right around 3:30. Following Friday, right around a $6 expected move. IV ranking here is relatively low compared to itself. IV got sucked out in here, even though you did have two red candles in here for the past two trading sessions. So we'll see all in all what happens in here for PDD going forward. Again, we're going to be looking at these Chinese stocks kind of all together. So PDD, Boeing, JD, kind of keep them all grouped together and see kind of keeping track of how they're trading with the markets, inverse, or we're going to go with the markets, especially since the markets are kind of closing at record highs right now. So it's very important that we kind of be aware of all of that as we're playing these types of Chinese stocks. And we did just get a announcement in here that Trump did say he's going to sign, or did sign, or I'm sorry, will sign a deal with China. A deal got done, so they're going to sign it here coming up soon. So we're going to see how that reflects in these stocks as well. But again, what are we looking at? 104. That's going to be our pain in here for our support. Anything below that, we're looking at that $100 level. Resistance wise, we're going to be looking at this 111 right here, 200 SMA on the daily chart, and then that 114 level. Or if we can come up and breach that pretty strong and heavily, then we're going to be looking at this 115, 116 area in here. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.